Hello everyone! Welcome to Best Product. Today, we're ranking the top 5 best computer case fan to help you pick cooling that balances airflow, noise, and eye-catching aesthetics for your build. From silent workhorses to RGB showpieces, we tested the best. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Thermalright TL-B12015 computer case fan. The Thermalright TL-B12015 computer case fan introduces a new benchmark in cooling performance and design innovation for PC enthusiasts. Engineered to eliminate resonance, this fan ensures that the blades and frame operate in distinct frequency ranges, resulting in smoother, quieter operation. Its 15 densely packed aerodynamic blades feature a streamlined profile, optimizing airflow while maintaining a compact, thin design suitable for various computer cases. Built with advanced materials, the fan utilizes a PPS frame and LCP fan blades, reducing vibration conflicts that often occur when similar materials interact. This thoughtful approach minimizes co-vibration noise, contributing to a calmer computing environment. In addition, the fan incorporates a dynamic balancing noise reduction ring, preventing tip deformation and blade swinging during high-speed operation, further enhancing both stability and acoustic performance. The wind-gathering back frame leg design reshapes the airflow pattern, allowing thin fans to achieve maximum efficiency despite their compact size. Noise-reducing silicone foot pads are individually removable, offering customizable vibration damping for quieter performance. Safety is also a priority, with the fan coming equipped with a protective guard to prevent accidental contact. At the heart of the TL-B12015 is a 3-phase, 6-pole motor paired with high-quality NMB double ball bearings, combining durability with exceptional operational smoothness. This powerful assembly ensures the fan maintains reliable performance even under demanding conditions, providing long-term stability for system cooling. With its innovative design, advanced materials, and meticulous engineering, the Thermalright TL-B12015 computer case fan delivers a high-performance cooling solution that balances efficiency, durability, and low-noise operation for modern PC builds. Next, at number 4, is the Aigo AM12 computer case fan. The Aigo AM12 computer case fan is engineered to deliver both high performance and aesthetic appeal for modern PC builds. Designed with multiple configuration options, it ensures compatibility with Asus Aura Sync, allowing seamless integration with a range of RGB lighting setups. The fan intelligently adjusts its efficiency according to temperature fluctuations, providing dynamic cooling that responds to the demands of the system. With a focus on airflow optimization, the AM12 is built to properly channel air within the chassis. It drives hot air out while drawing in cool air, promoting effective heat dissipation throughout the computer case. The fan features a 7-blade design that balances high wind pressure with low noise output, achieving airflow of 48 CFM while maintaining a quiet 21.5 dBA operation. Its durability is ensured with a mean time to failure of 30,000 hours, making it a reliable component for long-term use. The design emphasizes user comfort and ease of installation. Every aspect of the AM12, from its splicing design to careful structural considerations, is intended to enhance the installation experience and improve overall chassis ventilation. Its fan speed is rated at 1200 plus or minus 10% RPM, providing a consistent balance between cooling performance and acoustics. Beyond cooling performance, the AM12 incorporates a vivid, addressable RGB LED system. Capable of displaying 16.8 million colors, the LEDs can be synchronized through software or, if the motherboard lacks compatible headers, via a built-in controller. This feature allows users to achieve striking visual effects and personalized lighting schemes without constraints, elevating the aesthetic value of any PC setup. Overall, The Aigo AM12 computer case fan represents a combination of efficient thermal management, quiet operation, and advanced RGB customization, catering to both performance-focused users and those seeking to enhance their system's visual appeal. Coming in at number 3, we have the Jungle Leopard computer case fan. The Jungle Leopard computer case fan is designed to elevate both the performance and aesthetics of your PC build. Operating at a whisper-quiet 30 decibels, it ensures a serene computing environment, making it ideal for users who value minimal noise without compromising on cooling efficiency. Its 5V ARGB lighting system adds a dynamic visual element, allowing for a customizable and vibrant lighting effect that enhances the overall look of your setup. Performance-wise, the fan delivers an impressive 60.18 CFM airflow, providing consistent and effective cooling for your components. This high airflow ensures that your system maintains optimal temperatures, even under heavy workloads, supporting the longevity and stability of your PC. The Jungle Leopard fan incorporates a magnetic suction design, simplifying installation and allowing for tool-free splicing, making setup quick and hassle-free. Equipped with a hydraulic bearing, the Jungle Leopard V2Rs model is engineered for durability and long-lasting performance, capable of running smoothly for up to 100,000 hours. This bearing system reduces friction and wear, contributing to a longer lifespan and stable operation. Compatible with standard PC fan pins, this fan integrates seamlessly into a wide range of chassis designs, offering both functional and aesthetic enhancements. With its combination of quiet operation, vivid RGB lighting, high airflow, and durable construction, the Jungle Leopard computer case fan represents a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to improve their PC's cooling system while adding a touch of style. It balances performance and visual appeal, ensuring that both your hardware and your setup look and operate at their best. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Teucer computer case fan. The Teucer computer case fan is designed to deliver both efficient cooling and a visually striking appearance for desktop PCs. Its 11-blade fluid design maximizes airflow while keeping noise levels remarkably low, operating at just 28 dB. This ensures a quiet computing environment without compromising performance. A notable feature is its shock-absorbing design. Encased in a soft silicone pad, the fan minimizes vibrations even at high speeds, making it adaptable to a variety of installation setups. This design helps maintain stability and reduces noise caused by mechanical vibrations, enhancing the overall durability of the system. The fan also brings vibrant aesthetics to any PC build with its ARGB lighting. Equipped with high-brightness LED lamp beads, it offers a dynamic spectrum of colors that can be customized to match the style of the host. The FD200 ARGB model, a 20-centimeter desktop cooling fan, combines this visual appeal with practical functionality, ensuring the interior of your computer remains cool during intensive use. Under the hood, the Teucer fan employs a hydraulic bearing system, which ensures smooth operation and long-term reliability. The hydraulic bearing reduces friction, prolongs the lifespan of the fan, and maintains a quiet environment while generating strong airflow. Its design is optimized for rapid heat dissipation, helping to maintain optimal temperatures inside the chassis. Overall, the Teucer computer case fan merges efficient cooling, quiet operation, durable construction, and captivating ARGB lighting. It is an ideal choice for those looking to enhance both the performance and appearance of their desktop PC setup. And finally, our top pick for the Redragon GCF012 computer case fan. The Redragon GCF012 computer case fan is designed to elevate both the performance and aesthetics of any PC build. Its innovative modular snap-on design simplifies installation, allowing users to create seamless daisy chain connections with multiple fans. This makes building a clean, organized setup easier than ever, eliminating tangled cables and cluttered interiors. Compatible with RGB lighting systems across all major motherboards, the GCF012 offers versatile customization through the included 5-volt 3-pin interface or an optional controller. The fan features a striking central light zone and side strip illumination, enhanced by a captivating infinity mirror design on both the frame and center, producing a visual depth that brings any gaming rig to life. Performance is equally impressive. The 120mm fan spins between 800 and 2000 RPM, delivering up to 68.8 CFM airflow and a static pressure of 2.05 HO. This ensures efficient cooling, keeping components stable even under intense gaming or heavy workloads. Despite its high-performance capability, the fan maintains whisper-quiet operation at just 29.2 dBA. Shock-absorbing pads at each corner, combined with rifle-bearing technology, reduce vibration and noise while enhancing durability, offering reliable long-term operation. With the Redragon GCF012, users gain more than just cooling. It's a blend of practical efficiency and eye-catching design. The combination of high airflow, low noise, and mesmerizing infinity mirror lighting transforms a standard computer case into a visually stunning centerpiece that complements both performance-focused and style-conscious builds. This fan seamlessly merges functionality with aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a cooling solution that performs flawlessly while adding a bold visual statement. That was an epic cooling showdown. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product.